So Apple finally released the iPhone 11 Pro, but you might want to hold off on buying one for yourself, as we talk about in this video all the reasons why you shouldn't buy the iPhone 11 Pro. Reason number 1. Lack of Pro features. The Pro branding for the new iPhone 11 Pro models is not justified. Even though the new iPhone 11 Pro series comes with an additional camera and better battery life, there is no such feature that makes iPhone 11 Pro stand out from other flagship devices. For example, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series comes with stylus support. The Huawei P30 Pro comes with 50 times zoom support. You can't tell a single unique feature that will make these iPhones stand out. Reason number 2. Outdated design. The new iPhone 11 Pro carries the same design from the 2-year-old iPhone 10 that comes with a huge notch in the front. This design looks outdated when compared to the latest phones like the Galaxy S10, Note 10 series, the OnePlus 7 Pro, and several other flagship devices which carries a notchless display or a punch hole display or a drop notch design. Reason number 3. Back design. The back camera design of the iPhone 11 Pro looks very ugly, even uglier than the last year's iPhone XS, which only adds to the outdated design of the iPhone 11 Pro, making it one of the ugliest looking phone of the year. Apple is all about aesthetics, and this type of design is a big letdown for us by Apple. Reason number 4. Storage. While the competitors like the Galaxy Note 10 comes with a 256 gig of storage standard, Apple continues to launch phone with 64 gig of standard storage since the launch of iPhone 8. And not to mention the fact that phones like Note 10 offers microSD expansion up to 1 terabyte. It makes sense for Apple to offer 64 gig of storage standard for its regular $699 iPhone 11 model, but offering the same storage for the Pro is not justified at all. Reason number 5. 5G support. When you're buying a smartphone for about $1,000 and plus, you expect it to be future-proof, especially if you are planning to keep your phone for 3 years and more. The new iPhone Pro models does not have the latest 5G network support. Some cities have already deployed 5G networks, and in coming months we will see more network operators offering 5G services. If you buy these new iPhone Pro models now and plan to keep them for several years, you will be left out in the 5G journey. Reason number 6. No USB-C. The whole industry is moving toward USB-C standard. Even the newer MacBooks have adopted the USB-C standard, while Apple is still stuck with Lightning port in the new iPhone 11 Pro series. Soon you will find USB-C chargers and accessories everywhere, and you will need to carry a dongle with your iPhone 11 Pro all the time, even if you are carrying Apple's own MacBook. Reason number 7. Apple Pencil. The iPhone 11 Pro was rumored to add Apple Pencil support, but it didn't happen. While on the other hand, phones like Galaxy Note 10 offer Samsung's S Pen, which lets you take notes and draw with ease, and other cool features including air gestures for switching camera modes with a wave of your hand and converting handwritings to text. Reason number 8. Reverse wireless charging. Another rumored iPhone 11 Pro feature that didn't come to pass is the reverse wireless charging, which would have allowed you to place your Qi-compatible devices like AirPods on the back of your phone to give them some juice. Reason number 9. Advanced AR features. Apple is working on advanced AR feature for iPhones. To make the iPhone Pro compatible with these upcoming AR features, Apple has included the new U1 chip that uses ultra-wideband technology for spatial awareness. But the next generation iPhones coming next year will have U2 chip with more power, enabling even more advanced AR features. Also, recently Apple accidentally confirmed that it is working on an AR headset. Unlike the next generation iPhones that will be released along with an AR headset, the current iPhone 11 Pro models may not be fully compatible with all the AR features. Reason number 10. iPhone 2020. There has been no major changes to the iPhone after the launch of the iPhone 10. The iPhone 11 is almost the same in every aspect to the iPhone 10 with no major changes, but the iPhone 2020 is expected to bring major changes. For example, the 2020 iPhone will be a complete redesign without a notch, or at least a smaller notch. It will hopefully bring under-display Touch ID and will definitely come with 5G support. It is also expected that the next year iPhone will come with a 120Hz ProMotion display. It will have a all-new 7-piece lens system on the back with TOF sensor that can capture depths on large areas, that can bring some advanced AR features like placing an AR object behind real objects, and more. It is also rumored that next year Apple may launch a smaller full-screen iPhone with a size of little bigger than the iPhone 5 but with a screen as big as the iPhone 10. Well, considering all those reasons, it doesn't make sense to buy an iPhone 11 Pro, especially if you already own an iPhone 10 or iPhone 10s. But if you own an iPhone 6 or iPhone 7 or iPhone 8 and you are in a very much need of a new phone, then you may consider buying the iPhone 11 Pro. But I would still recommend you to wait for the next year's iPhone as it will bring a lot of major changes. If you're still not sure and can't make a decision, then you should definitely check out my videos where I talked about all the reasons why you should buy the iPhone 11 Pro, and another video where I talked about all the reasons why you should choose the iPhone 11 over the iPhone 11 Pro. And guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Are you going to buy this phone or are you going to skip it? And if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And I will see you in the next one.